So guys, before we start, you want to make sure that your Steam Deck is fully up to date. So you want to click on the Steam icon, and now we're going to go down to settings, and now you want to go down to system, and then select check for updates. Make sure that your Steam Deck is fully up to date. So guys, for the first step, you want to click on the Steam icon. And now once we're on this, you want to scroll down to settings. And now once we're on settings, we're going to scroll down to power. And now once we're on power, we're going to scroll down to the very bottom until we find finish downloads with display off before sleeping and enable display off downloads on battery power. You want to turn on both of these. Make sure that both of these are turned on. And you can now start the download for your game. I've got multiple games that are going to be downloaded that are in the queue. And now as your games are downloading, next you want to click on the power button. And now you want to click on continue downloading. It's now going to start downloading and it's going to go to sleep in a second. It's now in sleep mode and it's still downloading. So your games are now downloading while the screen is off. If you want to turn your screen on again, then you can just move these joysticks or you can press on the power button and then your screen is going to turn back on again. It will tell you how many items are being downloaded and how much time is remaining. And if you want to wake your device fully, then you want to click on the power button again. That's how you do it.